there. Today I'm going to show you how to make the greatest ever vegan buttermilk ranch dip. Perfect for parties or just getting yourself to eat more raw veggies throughout the week. To make this vegan buttermilk ranch, you are going to need some vegan mayonnaise, plain unsweetened non-dairy milk, apple cider vinegar, and some spices. Here we have some garlic powder, onion powder, celery salt, ground black pepper, dried parsley, and a little bit of sea salt. That's it. First thing you're going to do is make your vegan buttermilk by mixing the unsweetened plain non-dairy milk with the apple cider vinegar. Let it set for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, you're going to add to that vegan buttermilk you just made the vegan mayo and the spices. We're going to whisk this up until everything is nice and smooth. And now we whisk. Go gently at first. Till everything comes together. There we go. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, here is the final product. This is our vegan buttermilk ranch. So creamy and packed with flavor. You can use it as a dip, use it as a salad dressing. I'm using it as a little drizzle on these little lettuce wraps that I'm having for lunch today. It stores great in the fridge. I wouldn't freeze it, but you can store it in the fridge for an entire week. So it's perfect for meal prep. So easy too. Let us know if you give it a try. Tag us in your photos when you do so that we can cheer you on.